Car prices have surged recently and buyers are battling over overpriced high-mileage vehicles. But there's a hidden market out there, a secret stash of forgotten, undervalued cars sitting quietly on dealer lots and private listings. Reliable builds, low miles, great value. Many Americans haven't heard of them. What sports sedan costs less than a used Corolla, yet drives like a BMW? Which diesel wagon outlasts most pickups? And which luxury ride packs more features than a Lexus for half the price? Stick with Dry-Fed Danny, because if you're car shopping in 2025, these under-the-radar gems could save you thousands. The Suzuki Kizashi offers all-wheel drive sharp handling and a surprisingly upscale interior. On paper, it should have been a hit in the mid-size sedan segment. Instead, it faded into obscurity in the United States, overlooked and misunderstood. For used car buyers who value substance over status, this is a golden opportunity. Launched in 2010, the Kizashi came with features typically found in luxury brands. It boasted a refined suspension-responsive steering and the choice of a continuously variable transmission or a 6-speed manual rare for mid-size sedans then. Available all-wheel drive made it a budget-friendly alternative to premium German cars for those needing all-season traction. Inside the Kizashi felt more premium than its price suggested. Soft-touch materials, supportive seats, and a clean, driver-focused dashboard rivaled Honda and Volkswagen models of the era. Features like dual-zone climate control, keyless ignition, Bluetooth, and premium audio systems made it feel anything but cheap. So why did it fail? Suzuki's declining brand reputation in the US hurt it. By the time the Kizashi arrived, Suzuki was exiting the American market. Limited marketing, sparse dealerships, and consumer skepticism doomed it despite its quality. Today, you can find the Kizashi for $4,000 to $8,000, depending on mileage and condition. Parts are available through aftermarket suppliers and global networks, and its reliable drivetrain keeps maintenance affordable. If you think the Kizashi is obscure, wait for the next car, a French-built vehicle you've likely never heard of. The Peugeot 505 diesel sedan is smooth, comfortable, and built for endurance. In the 1980s, it was a flagship of French design, blending European ride comfort, rugged simplicity, and impressive longevity. In the US, it never gained traction, making it a classic for budget buyers who value old-school engineering and unique character. With rear-wheel drive independent suspension and a spacious cabin, it rivaled Mercedes-Benz and Volvo. Its 2.5-litre four-cylinder diesel engine prioritized durability and fuel economy over speed. While not fast, it offered a supple ride and exceptional longevity. Taxi fleets in Africa and South America ran these engines for hundreds of thousands of miles with few issues. In the US, Peugeot's brand struggled with limited dealers. Unfamiliar styling, and parts availability concerns, keeping buyers focused on domestic and Japanese brands. Today you can find 505s in rural garages, enthusiast forums, and obscure listings. A global fan base ensures parts are accessible via websites and importer networks. Prices range from $2,000 to $6,000 based on condition and maintenance. For those seeking simplicity and comfort, the 505 offers rare refinement at this price. Peugeot left the US, but the next car shows even Honda has a model Americans overlooked. Hey Dry-Fed Danny fans, we're working toward 1,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button to join our community and stay updated with the latest car deals. Follow for more latest news. The Honda Crosstour confused buyers when it launched, and that confusion hurt its sales. But time has revealed its strengths: liftback utility, sedan-like comfort, and reliable mechanicals. Built on the Accord platform, it stretched the roofline into a fastback, adding cargo space, a wide rear hatch, and optional all-wheel drive features that cost more in crossovers. Inside it offered heated leather seats, sunroofs, premium audio, and dual-zone climate control, feeling closer to an Acura than a base sedan. It had two engine options, a 2.4-litre four-cylinder and a 3.5-litre V6, with over 270 horsepower, making highway driving engaging. All-wheel drive handled snow and rain well. Its failure? It didn't fit a clear category, too bulky for sedan buyers, too odd for SUV buyers, and too different for Honda's conservative image. Today, it's a bargain at $6,000 to $10,000. From Honda's misfit, we move to a diesel wagon Europeans love but Americans ignored. The Volkswagen
Accurate.
Passat TDI Wagon is ideal for long-distance fuel economy without sacrificing comfort or utility. It's turbocharged too. 0-litre diesel engine delivers 140 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque, offering smooth power and highway mileage in the high 30s to low SHA. 40x. Inside it surprises with supportive seats, clean layouts, and optional sunroof or heated seats. Its cargo area is wide and flat, with nearly 60 cubic feet of space, rivaling crossovers. The diesel emission scandal tanked TDI values, but many were repaired under Volkswagen's warranty, running cleaner now. Strong engineering, a loyal fan base, and parts availability make it a steal under $6,000. Diesel not for you? Try a boxy cult classic that's all about utility. The Honda Element isn't pretty, but it outsmarts and outlasts expectations. Launched in the early 2000s, IT blended SUV practicality with van-like flexibility. Washable floors, configurable seats, a spacious interior, and clamshell rear doors make loading gear easy. Its 2.4-litre four-cylinder engine produces 166 horsepower, not fast, but reliable. Sharing parts with the Suzuki and Accord keeps maintenance cheap. The seats fold or remove, creating a flat load floor perfect for pet owners or outdoor enthusiasts. Its rubberized floors and water-assistant seats can be hosed out. Its quirky styling turned off mainstream buyers but earned cult status. Prices range from $5,000 to $9,000. Want more space with less oddity? The next car is a wagon with a performance secret. The SOB 95 Aero wagon is a head-turner that devours highways and stays under the radar. This Scandinavian sleeper from Saab's BMW fighting days is powerful and refined. Its 2.3-litre turbocharged engine delivers 250 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, hitting 60 mph in under 7 seconds. Its suspension and front-wheel drive offer sedan-like handling. The cabin reflects Saab's aerospace roots with logical controls, bolstered seats, and leather interiors. Parts shared with GM vehicles make maintenance manageable. Poor marketing and Saab's demise drop prices to $5,000 to $8,000 a bargain for performance and luxury. From Swedish speed to Korean comfort, the next sedan rivals the Camry for less. Hey Dry-Fed Danny Crew, we're pushing for 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe and help us grow. Follow for more latest news. The Kia Cadenza offers luxury comfort and premium features at a budget price. Its 3.3-litre 5.6 produces 293 horsepower and 255 pound-feet of torque for smooth highway power. Later models got an 8-speed automatic for better efficiency. Inside it boasts ventilated leather seats, a panoramic roof, Harman Kardon audio, and soft touch materials. Rear legroom is generous and ride comfort matches European sedans. Kia's weaker brand image and limited marketing hurt sales, but that gets used prices at $7,000 to $10,000. If sedans aren't your vibe, the next car has Italian flair. The Fiat 500 Abarth is small but fierce. Its 1.4-litre turbo engine pumps out 160 horsepower and 170 pound-feet of torque, hitting 60 mph in under 7 seconds. Weighing just over 2,500 pounds, it feels quick in city driving. The 5-speed manual keeps it engaging. Aggressive styling, dual exhaust and sport seats add character. Its loud exhaust crackles under throttle. Fiat's brief US return and early quality issues hurt resale, but loyal owners report good reliability with maintenance. Prices are $6,000 to $9,000. From fast to family-friendly, the next car looks like a minivan, but drives like an SUV. The Ford Flex's boxy design turned buyers away, but it's a versatile 7-seater that tows like a truck and drives like a sedan. Its 3.5-litre V6 makes 287 horsepower, while the EcoBoost variant delivers 365 horsepower. The interior is spacious, with room for adults in all rows and huge cargo space. Features include a dual-panel sunroof navigation and Sony audio. Its low ride height eases loading. Prices range from $7,000 to $16,000. For something bolder, the next car is a luxury oddball. The Acura ZDX blends bold styling and high-end features. Its 3.7-litre 5.6 produces 300 horsepower, paired with all-wheel drive for agile handling. The interior includes heated leather seats, a panoramic roof, and a 10-speaker ALS sound system. Its coupe-like design confused buyers but makes it unique. Prices are $9,000 to $15,000. Finally, a hatchback that's sportier than expected. The Mazda 3 manual hatchback offers sharp handling and engaging shifts. Its 2.5-litre engine delivers 185 horsepower in a 3,000-pound car for lively performance. The 6-speed manual is smooth and the chassis corners flat. The cabin feels premium with supportive seats and intuitive controls. Manual models are cheaper at $7,000 to $12,000. One last wildcard, a Buick that's no snooze. The Buick Regal G's is a sleeper sedan with a 2.0-litre turbo engine pushing 260 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, hitting 60 mph in under car. 7 seconds. Its sport-tuned suspension and optional all-wheel drive offer sharp handling. Built on the Opel Insignia platform, it feels European. Buick's image hurts sales, but prices are $8,000 to $13,000. Which of these bargains would you drive? Comment below and subscribe to Drive Fair Danny to help us hit 1,000 subscribers. Follow for more latest news.